Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Crunchyroll account. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, quick tip, in case you want to get Crunchyroll or any other subscription for a much cheaper or better price, scroll down till you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below where you're going to go to Gamsgo. It's a website I've been personally using for the past 3 years and it helps me to save money by sharing one account subscription with other people like a big family under the same password. So from here you're going to sign up and then search for Crunchyroll. Once it's available, you can sign up for a wishlist so you can be notified once it's there. But for an example, you can see Netflix purchase right now and you can see 3 months, 6 months or 12 months, and for 3 months it's for the price of 15 euros rather than for 60, which is a much better price. And so from here go to the promo code and write gummy, which will give you an extra 5% off so you can get the best possible price available. Now, to sign up for a normal Crunchyroll account, traditionally all you have to do is search for Crunchyroll right here, click on the first link and it will show you to the main homepage. Now from here you're going to go to the top right section where you can see the icon and then click on create account. Now from here it's going to redirect you to this page where you're going to paste an email address that you would like to have and then you're going to create for it a password that is going to be suitable. Once you do that, they're going to send you a verification link where you're going to click on it, go to your inbox and then verify your email. And it will redirect you to this website right here. Now all you have to do is go back and then from here go to the top right section, and then if you want to create an account normally, then you are done. But if you would like to get the normal traditional subscription, then click on the 7-day free trial, which appears for every new account, and then select whatever account that you might be comfortable with for subscription and then fill in your payment information, whether PayPal, credit card information. But for a normal account, you're already settled. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.